So once you've went ahead and deployed your voice AI agent, you should have got a link. And that link to your front end will allow you to now speak with the backend, which you should have been able to deploy both on the one-click deploy platform. So let's test it out. I'm going to go ahead and hit the start button.
I will stop talking now.
Awesome. Who are you?
May I speak now?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. I'm here to help you with managing your journal entries and calendar events. How can I assist you today?
What's your name?
I'm your assistant for managing journal entries and calendar events. How can I assist you today?
Do you have a name that I can call you by?
You can call me Sabrina. How can I help you today?
Awesome. Sabrina, I would like to create a calendar event for 9 p.m. Sunday, May 11th, Eastern Standard Time. And that's going to be to go ahead and set up the rest of the Udemy course for Livekit.
The calendar event titled Setup Udemy Course for Livekit has been successfully created for 9 p.m. on Sunday, May 11th, Eastern Standard Time.
Brilliant. Now, I'd also like to create a journal entry saying I've been able to create an end-to-end Udemy course. There were a few snafus here and there, but all in all, I was able to fix all of the Docker issues for the front-end Next.js build, as well as the back-end Node.js TypeScript build. Now, this may come as a surprise because it took me way more hours than expected, but all in all, I'll be the first person to launch a Udemy course on Livekit end to end, and therefore a lot of people will be able to learn how to deploy their own voice AI agents.
Your journal entry titled Completion of End to End Udemy Course on Livekit has been successfully created.
Amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and check that out, and I'll talk to you later.
Sure thing. Feel free to reach out whenever you need help. Take care.
So let's go see if she was able to create those events. If I head over to journal, sweet. I see a journal entry here. If I click on it, awesome. So I can actually see exactly what was written there, and it works. Let's also go ahead and check out the calendar event. Amazing. So this is the calendar event that was created. Let's check it out on a weekly. Wow. So here we go. I can see the actual event, and that's awesome. So there you have it. You've created your own personal assistant. And if you've liked the course, go ahead and leave me a review or something like that. I'd really appreciate that. Um, I want to really make sure that you guys were able to learn. All in all, this was a pretty simple course, but I think you were able to learn a lot of the bare bones. So, with that being the case, I do spot a little bug here. I don't know why this is going off the page. Let's see here. So, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday is the one that didn't get aligned so well. I wonder why that was. So we'll see. Oh, I guess that only happens when let's see. Yeah, I don't know why that's happening actually. Really weird. Only happened for May. Okay, sweet. So we'll check into that, but I hope you enjoyed that course. Talk to you soon, Dr. Fullstack.